Right, bit out of practice here. To pull over to make sure I had this on the right setting. I had it on photo. That's only the third time using it, it's fine, it's allowed. Shit, coming in a bit hot here. Yeah, just out for a spin tonight. I'm actually going to try sneak into Bray. I don't think that's actually allowed, but just popping in, see my sisters. Why are my fucking mirrors all fogged up? Maybe it's from the time I washed it. I've ridden it since, but fucking love that field. Yeah, just popping into Bray to see my sister this evening, and then maybe if there's time pop out to Enniskerry to my other sister, which is some nice little roads in between. So said I'd try and make a little video while I'm at it. Trying out another GoPro sort of mount system. It's the same setup I had before, but the housing is a little bit higher because it takes the mic adapter in the bottom of it. Some non-GoPro company, I've seen them around quite a bit in other people's videos. It's handy when you're doing this kind of thing. You have to have the adapter hanging off the side. But I said I'd try that out, and also I got new gloves, so new summer gloves I wanted to try out. I think they're 4ST, or I don't know the name, I'm butchering it, but they need to be broken in, and I'm not been able to go for a spin for a while, so I'm gonna try to break them in now. Wearing them around the house like Darth Vader doesn't really do it. So interesting to see how they feel. They feel great actually. They're real tight fit. I went for the medium, and they're just perfect size. I think they feel a little bit small down by the palm on my hand, but like the fingers are perfect, so the fingers are what matter really, and it's not really too small in there, just different I think. So I'm not going to worry about that. Yeah, they from today on they have increased the distance from 2 kilometers to 5 kilometers you can go from your house over here now, so I'm hoping that means a little less guarded presence on the road, so I can get the Bray without being stopped. Should I just shift it up with no clutch there? Sure, we'll see. I've driven these roads in the car during the day and they seem fine, so, but I believe Bray has quite a lot of people or guards. See if I can get past someone. If you go, come on, I'm definitely going left. Might turn up this little road for the crack. Yeah, I just need to get a spin on this, and I forgot how enjoyable this bike is. Been so focused on trying to get the Harley going, because I love that bike. The Harley is my baby. And it's perfect for pottering around in the summer, evenings like this, making a lot of noise. This bike sometimes, as much as I love it, and I have the Acropovic exhaust now, I could only imagine how it could be without it. The stock one on. But it can be a little bit clinical at times. Like a little bit too good. I don't know if it's the boxer engine. I love the boxer engine, but my god, no, I can't say it lacks character, because it's got its own character, but it's not as loose as the likes of a Sportster engine is. Like, as raw. It's like you get fucking rattled to bits riding that thing. This is going to be another lovely view when we come out here. If I can do it without fucking crashing. This wall seems higher. Beautiful Sugarloaf. Kilruddery. We came around the corner down the wrong side of the road. Half expecting to see guards on this too. Look, I'm dropping something into my sister. It's not really that bad. I'm gonna exercise social distancing when I'm doing it. bike actually has a Cork reg on it. And I have full luggage on today because I'm carrying flowers. But I probably look like some fucking wanker out on a tour from Cork. Cork would be I'm in the centre east of the country. Well, yeah. And we're in the east coast, and they'd be on the far south of Ireland, so it's a good 5 hours drive away. This time of year, normally there'd be a lot of people touring Ireland on a bike, so kind of get where they're coming from. Helps to know the little back roads. From what I see in the papers and on Facebook and everything, Bray seems to be quite lackadaisical about playing by the fucking rules. The queues of people outside ice cream places, and Bray's known for its beach, and apparently there's a lot of people still going down to the beach. Even now, there should be no one on these fucking roads. That woman was full on picking her nose. Did not give a fuck. It's like no one could see her. Dynamic mode on this dusty little road is probably not the best idea. Oh, fuck me. Should probably be standing up right now.